Welcome to Antiques and Estate Auctioneers and RushToArms.com. I'm John Farkas, your auctioneer.
And I'm Charlie Rush, your gun expert.
And this is the June 2011 auction preview.
The first lot I'm going to critique is lot number 541. This is one of the most beloved shotguns ever made. This is a Winchester Model 42 pump gun. This is a second series gun, which means it has a flat bottom forend. It is a 26-inch plain barrel. The choke is full. The overall condition would rate at about 95%. This is a Winchester Model 12, lot number 546. This is a pre-64. It's a 30-inch full choke with a vent rib. This is a Monte Carlo stock, which means it has a raised cheek piece. Factory installed Winchester pad. Length of pull is 14 inches. This is a late production, about 1962. This is considered a 3-pin gun. This is a very unique item. This is lot number 593A. What's unusual about this is a 28 gauge steel barreled hammer gun that is a true side lock. The overall condition of this gun is near new. It has a very unique semi-pistol grip. It has the European style small cheek piece. It has the European style sling swivels that are factory installed. It has the Anson type forend latch. It has what are considered side clips on the action to protect the corner of the barrels. It has 65 millimeter chambers, which equates to 2.5 inch in US. It's a steel barreled gun. It has one minor flaw, about 6 inches from the muzzle on the right barrel, a very small dent. The bores are as new. The overall condition I would rate close to 100%. A very nice shotgun with shootable dimensions. This is lot number 593B. This is a very unique specimen of the Colt 1917 US Army. This is a U.S. property gun. It is in caliber 45 ACP. The barrel length is 5.5 inches. It has a factory installed lanyard ring. It has a military finish. What's unique about this gun, it's 100%. It looks unissued. This pistol comes with the rampant Colt in place. And it also has the Arsenal stamp in place at the top of the cylinder here. A very well done gun. A very fine specimen of a Colt model of 1917.
We'd like to remind you that if you're interested in consigning firearms to our upcoming firearms auction, you can contact us at 440-647-4007, or you can email myself and Charlie at info@rushtoarms.com. Thanks again for watching. We'll be talking to you soon.